Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Swappa mobile app works, focusing on how it serves as a trusted marketplace for buying and selling used tech. Known for its focus on safety and direct user transactions, Swappa is especially popular among users looking for pre-owned phones, laptops, and other gadgets at reasonable prices. The Swappa app allows users to list or browse items such as smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, smartwatches, and laptops. And like auction-style platforms, Swappa uses fixed pricing, and every device listed must meet certain criteria, like being fully functional and not blacklisted. Users can upload photos, set their price, and communicate with buyers or sellers directly through the app. Payments are processed via PayPal, providing an additional layer of protection. And there's no middleman holding your money. One of the pros of the Swappa app is that it prioritizes verified listings, making it harder for scams to occur. Users appreciate the strict moderation, the absence of seller fees, and the fast listing process. It's also efficient for finding gently used tech at lower prices than retail. On the downside, the app may not have the same inventory depth as larger platforms like eBay, and users in some regions may find fewer local listings. Real user feedback has been largely positive. Many buyers say their orders arrive quickly and match the description exactly. Sellers also highlight that it's easy to post and get paid once the item is received. However, a few users have mentioned that the customer support team can be slow to respond, and some had issues resolving disputes, though these are not common. Overall, the Swappa mobile app is a great option if you're looking to buy or sell used tech without the hassle of hidden fees or unverified listings. It's especially appealing for users who want more security and transparency in their tech purchases. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.